Hi guys, it is Sunday morning, 6:30 here in Nashville. Today is my groundbreaking day. As you can tell, there it is back there, right? I'm gonna pull all the weeds out and get all those plants in the ground. It's supposed to be a very rainy day today, so let's get started. Look, I have a hidden little gem here also. This little abandoned patch of hostas. So I may not touch that today, but I'm excited because that's going to be in the gardens too. Okay, let's get started. I gotta show you guys this. This is the Purple Heart. Look at how pretty that little flower is. It's so pretty. So some of these, I don't even know how big they get. So they've got to get in the ground because it's gonna rain. Okay, the weeding is all done, so now I'm gonna start digging holes. Hi guys, I'm all done digging. I got everything planted, look at that. Let's go do the review. So here we are. All the plants are in the ground, except for the hidden hosta. That'll be another day. You know, I like the spacing. I like the way it turned out. It could very well be really close to how it's going to stay. Most of my plants I got from a local gardener here. There was just a small handful, like these 3 sedums in the front. I got those from Walmart. And all the cone flowers that you see back there, the pinks and the oranges, I got those at Home Depot. Everything else you see here was from my neighbor, from her home gardens. But boy, does it look pretty. Look how complete it looks already. My God, it's beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy. This garden here isn't even my garden. It's my neighbor's garden. I live above them. But because we both rent here, most renters don't take care of gardens, and I've been getting the itch to get my hands in the dirt, and they were thrilled to give me permission to do this. They're excited to see all the flowers too. I think it's turned out beautiful. Look at that again. All right, thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next video.